Hello everyone, today I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating your very own Flash token on the EVM network. As an example, we'll be building an trc20 token similar to USDT. To get started, you'll need an investment of 0.1 ETH or 1.5 BNB. With this amount, we'll be able to generate 70,000 USDT Flash tokens. We'll be using Remix Ethereum for this project. First, create a new file and name it USDT SOL in all capital letters. Then copy the code provided in the description. This will serve as the foundation for our smart contract. Next, we need to compile our smart contract. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab and select version 0.6.6+. After the compilation is successful, proceed to deploy and execute the transaction. In the Environment section, choose Wallet Connect and link your cold wallet. In the field for the token name, enter Tether, and for the token symbol type USDT, then hit Transact. When entering the max fee round the number up to the nearest whole number, confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that the first payment will be the most expensive, likely costing between $20 and $40. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation that everything has gone smoothly along with the address of our smart contract displayed on the screen. I'll demonstrate on Etherscan that our contract has been successfully created without any issues. Now it's time to fund our smart contract. I'm gonna add a minimum of 0.12 ETH to it. Simply input the address of our smart contract, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. This should incur a fee of approximately $1 to $3. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed, then refresh the page to verify that your contract has been funded. Return to Remix and wait for your balance to show up. Sometimes it appears immediately, while at other times it may take a little longer. Once your balance is visible, click Start, and remember to specify the maximum fee again. Now we'll wait for this transaction to be confirmed as well. After confirmation, click Withdraw and confirm that transaction once more. Wait about 2 minutes, and if everything has been done correctly, your Flash token should show up in your wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram @VRCR